Light blue spirit beads paired with white pearls create a cool and elegant feel. String the beads in this order. Thread back through to seed beads. Clamp one seed bead. Thread through to seed beads and the crystal bead. Tie a knot. Pass through the crystal bead. Clamp for seed beads. Thread back through the crystal bead, through to seed beads. Clamp one seed bead. Thread through to seed beads, the spirit bead, and another seed bead. Clamp 3 seed beads, add 1 crystal bead, and thread back through the seed bead. Pass through 1 seed bead, clamp 1 seed bead, thread through to seed beads, and go through the crystal bead and seed bead. Clamp 3 seed beads, thread back through the crystal bead, pass through to seed beads. Clamp 1 seed bead, and thread through to seed beads. String the seed beads in this order. Thread back through the seed bead, the crystal bead, and to seed beads. Clamp a seed bead and thread through to seed beads. Pass through the crystal bead, clamp 3 seed beads, and thread through the seed bead. Pass through the crystal bead, through to seed beads, clamp a seed bead, and thread through the seed bead. Pass through the crystal bead and repeat until the desired length is reached. String the seed beads and the lobster clasp in this order. Thread through the seed bead, clamp 1 seed bead, and thread through the seed bead. Thread to this seed bead position. Clamp a pearl and thread through the next seed bead. Repeat clamping on both sides to complete. Here comes the final result. A reflection of her.